Hi, welcome to FASTag services. In this video, I am going to show you how to close an SBI FASTag account. First of all, go to Google and search for SBI FASTag. Click on the first website link and click again to go to the new site. Due to the one vehicle, one tag campaign, if you have multiple tags in your vehicle, you must close your old active FASTag accounts. Now close the pop-up notification. Why you have to close your FASTag account if you are having multiple tags on vehicle? In cases where an individual has accidentally acquired multiple FASTags for the same vehicle, they might need to close the excess accounts to avoid confusion or incorrect toll charges. Please enter the registered mobile number, password, captcha code and click on sign in. This is the dashboard. Here you can surrender your FASTag account. Surrender or close. Just click on the surrender tag. And here which vehicle you want to close. Just click on the checkbox and click on proceed. Okay. Here you can complete the closing process. If you are facing any difficulties to close your SBI FASTag account, you can contact us on WhatsApp. In this video description, I have mentioned my WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching the video.